your margin system. This is the current margining system is known as peak margin system. Yeah. This will be valid till end of September. So what I'm trying to tell you will be valid till September. From 1st October, I'll tell you what will be the system. Yeah. So in the peak margin system, what happens is the clearing house takes 4 random snapshots of the margins that are payable on your contracts during the day. So let us say I went long on September futures. Yeah. And so let us say the margin payable by me is 2 lakh. Yeah. Now, suppose I want to roll over my contract to October. So I go long on October futures. Yeah. So what happens now? My contract will have margin for both September as well as October. Let us assume it is 4 lakh now, the total margin. Yeah. The exchange will take at random points 4 times your snapshot of the margins that are payable to you. So let us say the 4 times they take your snapshot, your margins payable are these. Yeah. They will find out which is the highest or the peak margin that is payable by you. The peak margin payable by you is 4 lakh. Currently, the exchange expects that 80% of this you should have paid to the broker. In case there is a shortfall, there will be a penalty which you will have to pay. Are you with me? So this is the system till 30th September where you have to pay 80% of your peak margin. 1st October onwards, your peak margin will become 100%. The amount that you need to pay will become 100% of your peak margin. From 1st October, if this is your peak margin, the entire 100% of it is payable by you. So, honestly, if you want to square off your contract, yeah, and you want to roll over, ideally what you should do is take long September futures, first square it off. Square it off, your margins will become 0, and then you go long on October futures. So likely your margin will not exceed 2 lakh or whatever is the margin payable on the futures contract. Yeah. Whereas if you have 2 outstanding long contracts, your margin requirements will increase drastically. Mustafa is saying that is why every broker was crying. It's not that every broker was crying. It is because now what is happening is that clients are realizing that we need to maintain huge margins to trade in futures. In fact, there is a recent data which has been released which shows that people are moving slowly away from futures into cash market for the reason that the margins that are payable are becoming higher and higher. Yeah. Are you clear with the peak margin system I explained now? So it would make sense for you to first square off your September futures and then only go long on October futures. If you have the money and you're ready to pay the higher margin, you can always go long on both September and October. Are all of you with me here? Yes? Okay, thank you. Okay, so I have a question here. Will this margin revert to us or not? Of course, this margin will come back to you with if there is a profit, it will be added. If there is a loss, that will be subtracted, and you will have the net amount coming to you. So, for example, if I make profit on this contract, so margin plus profit will come to me. If I make a loss on this contract, margin minus loss will come to me. Thank you, Mustafa, you've complimented me for the explanation. Thank you so much. Sujit has said need to same strike price for the next month. Not necessarily. You can have a different strike price. Yeah. So today I have gone long on TCS futures at 3,600. For October futures, I can go long on 3,700 also.